Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I have my winter Fabfitfun unboxing for you. My box looks pretty disheveled because I had my add-ons in here too and I had to kind of tear it open. I was so excited to get into it. So I'll go through every item with you, link it underneath so you have more information, and also include my playlist with more Fabfitfun unboxing videos. As always, if you want more videos from me, please like this video and subscribe. It just lets me know to create more content for you and it helps me so much. Thank you. This is what the magazine looks like. It's for winter 2020. So the first item I chose, it's this Unhide Blanket. I already got this in a previous Fabfitfun and I loved it so much. It's faux fur, but it's so soft. You would think it'd be real fur. And this is the exact same one as the one that I have, except for in gray, which I love gray. So I'm super excited about this. It retails for $65, so already more than what we paid for the box. The second thing I didn't pick, it's the Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. I love liquid eyeliner though, so I'll definitely use this. And this retails for $21. I love liquid eyeliner, so I'll definitely use this. That was one of the items that they chose for me. So I do the annual subscription so I can pick 5 things. And then as an add-on, I added this. It's the Limitless Lash Mascara from Ilia. Ilia is more of a natural brand, so I'm excited to try this. This mascara says it's a dual-sided brush, lifts and lengthens every lash with a blend of beeswax and shea butter. So I'm super excited to try this, to add this on because I couldn't choose. Another add-on that I did was the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. I've used this before. It's amazing. It has like very fine crystals and almost like a lemony scent, and it exfoliates your skin so well. So I love this. The next item I chose as well, it's the Laura Geller Cinnamon. It's the Laura Geller Cinnamon and Spice palette. I'm excited to try Laura Geller. It's more of a natural brand, and this is like fall themed. And it was like neutral colors and also some shimmers, which I love. So let me just show you guys what this looks like. I'm going to add this right to my collection and start using it right away. Wow, that's beautiful. Beautiful colors. Shimmers, mattes, amazing neutrals. And I'm excited about the formula because I've heard Laura Geller's quite a good formula as well. So I love that. I can see myself using those every day. Another item that I chose was the Dip Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Dry Shampoo. I love a good dry shampoo, and I'm looking for more natural hair products because I've been using more natural recently. In the last year or two, I've been using more natural hair products and my hair's been kind of better than ever, I think. So I'm excited about using this one. It's a different kind of packaging too, like the powder is just in a little bottle. Next thing they picked for me, and I know I won't use it, it's a Daily Concept face brush for dry brushing. I have so many devices for the face that I don't use as is, so I know I won't use this, so I'm just going to give this one away. It looks too harsh for my face anyways. Dry brushing is quite intense, and I have sensitive and dry skin, so I'm sure it would really irritate my skin. So I'm not interested in that. Also, they picked this wallet for me below the belt, a little wallet. I'm just gonna not even unpackage this and give this away as well because I just don't see myself needing it. It's just too small of a little wallet. I already have tons of wallets, and it's like a faux snake skin, not really my style. So I'll give that away. This I'm super excited about. It's the Voir Rhythm of the Rain hair mask. I love a good hair mask. I love the packaging of this. It's beautiful. And it says, pure and soothing, the patter of rain is a lullaby for the soul. Blended with shea butter and argan oil, the cleansing cream is rich with nourished natural botanicals that restore scalp health and replenish moisture for shining hair that's scrumptiously soft, strong, and hydrated to perfection. Oh, and Voir Hair Care is a Canadian brand too. So I love that. I'm excited to use it. I love the packaging. And again, I just love natural hair products, so I'm super excited about that. And the last item I chose as well, it's the set of 2 beautiful mugs by Lily. Set of 2 beautiful mugs by Lily Pulitzer. I love the coloring of them. They're nice big mugs, perfect for coffee and tea, which I love coffee and tea. And there's a set of 2 of them, very beautiful. So I'm super excited about those as well. So that is my winter Fabfitfun box. Sorry, the box is tore up, so I can't really show you. But that's everything I received in it, and honestly, I love it. I picked 5 things that I knew I loved, and then even added on 2 more because there was too many things that I liked. So I'm super happy with it, with the exception of these 2 items, which I'll just give away as gifts. I'm not even going to open them. So that's the thing with the subscription boxes that I found myself doing more, is keeping what I know I'm going to use and giving away right away the things I don't, so that someone else can enjoy them. But I love Fabfitfun. I love Fabfitfun. I'll definitely stay subscribed to them and do the annual again. And I'll keep making these videos for you guys as long as you love them. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Take care. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.